for the first batch of professionals coming out of Prakramika Institute. All are eagerly waiting for receiving their certificates from eminent people. On this happy occasion, we welcome you for the facilitation function for the first batch of front office management course, which is conducted by Prakramika Institute. As usual, we begin the function by invoking the blessings of God lighting the lamp. I request our chief guest and guests of honor, Dr. Uttam Oja, Madam Vijaya, and Mr. Biswajit Biswas to join virtual light of lamp. So may I request the IT team to do the needful?
Ahan, you are on mute.
We have two prayer songs. First, I invite Mr. Rohan to sing the prayer song.
Vakatuntamagaya Surikoti Samapapa Nivitnam Kurumetis Sarvakaresu Sarvata.
Thank you, Mr. Rohan. That was very nice. Introducing Sapna, I'm extremely happy to introduce you, Sapna Rajan, who is going to entertain us today with her soulful singing today. Sapna is an aspiring singer with autism. Music is her world. She was born and brought up in Muscat. She has performed with legendary playback singers like S.P. Balasubramaniam, K.S. Chitra Vijay, Rajesh, Madhu Balakrishnan, Mano, Anuradha Sriram. In 2019, she was a participant in Sun TV's Sun Singer reality show. Sapna is an India Book of Record holder for singing maximum number of songs in WhatsApp group during the lockdown period. She is an optimistic personality, overcoming all the obstacles and marching towards her dream of becoming a playback singer. So I request Miss Sapna to sing the patriotic song. Now I invite Miss Sapna to sing another prayer song for us.
I request Ms. Avani to take over.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Sapna. Head of our spirit divine. I now call upon the founder director of Akramika Institute, Ms. Gayatri someone to give welcome and address to the gathering.
Thank you, Ms. Avani, for inviting me. Namaste and good evening to one and all. I am immensely happy and excited to welcome you all for the felicitation function for the first batch of the Front Office Management course conducted by Prakramika Institute, Chennai. First, let me welcome our chief guest, Dr. Uttam Oja sir, member of Central Advisory Board, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Our guests of honor, Mrs. Vijaya, Course Director, Sri Venkateshwara Montessori Group of Teacher Training Schools, Mr. Vishwajit Biswas, General Manager at Fort Jadavgarh, Pune, and for being the guests of honor today. In spite of all their busy schedule and at short notice, they accepted our invitation to be a part of this important event. Talking about the front office management course, I was frankly doubtful whether it is possible to conduct a 3-month long course through online to children, adults with special needs. But gathering courage and with the blessings of Almighty, scores of well-wishers and mentors, I was able to successfully conduct this course through online. I consider this as one of the biggest milestones in my career. This was a beautiful journey and satisfying one. Now, I am more confident to conduct more such courses. The cooperation of the children and the parents was awesome. I thank and welcome all of them to this program. It is said that it takes a village to move the mountain. When I cross this milestone, I reflect back. It is not my achievement alone. There are scores of people behind me who had contributed and had been my support system. My mentor, Mrs. Geeta Raghavan ma'am, and the Madras Dyslexic Association teachers who had taken great pains in teaching me how to teach a child with special needs. Mrs. Priyanka Das, who was instrumental in encouraging me to take up the task of initiating inclusive education in one of the schools in Oman. My head, Dr. Sridevi Pitashnath Madam, for giving me the space to explore and work for the valuable guidance. Dr. Analpa Paranjape Madam, for always being there to clear my doubts and guide me in the right direction. Ms. Jasmith and Ms. Richa for their excellent training programs, which built my skill stack and made me work holistically. Mrs. Prablin Madam, who taught me how to keep the audience engaged and reach them effectively during online teaching. Mr. Pradeep Sir and Mr. Sitanshu Sir for introducing me to the online platform. Mrs. Arpita Srivatsava Rai, who gave me support in organizing this felicitation function and introduced me to the guests present today. Mr. Tariq Al-Kabori Sir for supporting me in my ventures always. My friends who made me think big. Mrs. Padma Ramani ma'am for introducing me to Engestan Group, and in particular, I wish to mention Ms. Pratima ji for initiating this. Mr. Suresh Iyengar sir for his wonderful first feedback, which was highly encouraging. And there are many more. Please pardon me if I am not mentioning all the names. I'm happy to share with you that some of them are present today in the felicitation function, and I'm extremely happy to welcome you all. I must mention the important contribution of specialists from the industry who readily accepted my invitation to address our young professionals during the front office management program. Mr. Gurmeet Randava, Mrs. Smita Ramesh, Mr. Zulfikar, Ms. Ashaita Mahajan, and Dr. Subhashish Sarkar. They gave very good insight on the related topics, and we are deeply indebted to them for their encouragement and look forward to their assistance to our young professionals in their career. Today, I'm glad to welcome you all to this function. I'm also grateful to the parents for their trust, and last but not the least, my darling children for accepting me as their teacher. We could achieve this only with the support of the wonderful parents. Today, I'm extremely privileged to welcome you all to this function. I extend my warm welcome to all the guests for taking your time in joining us to bless our young professionals. Without all this, I could never think of this venture to be successful. As my well-wisher ever, Tariq sir always says, it's a team effort. As many of you would already notice, the entire program is being compared by my young professionals as I want them to participate. At this moment, I wish to request the community to create more opportunities for the talented children so that they can achieve greater heights. Once again, I welcome each and every one of you for this felicitation program and for encouraging our young professionals. I request Ms. Balambika to take the proceedings further.
Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. We are highly inspired by you. We have an eminent person among us to motivate and show their support. Now, let me introduce the chief guest. Uh, Chief guest, we are extremely honored to have with us Dr. Uttam Oja, the member of Central Advisor Board, Ministry of Social Justice and Amendment Government, Empowerment of India. He also the Secretary for Promotions Cricket for Disabled. Since childhood, he has been active in writing and the society. He he bachelor in Ayurvedic medicine and surgery, during which he got involved in the service of treatment. Inspired by the promoter of National Volunteer Associate Dr. Kamlesh Kumari G. Dr. Uttam Hoja made a service person with disability as his life. His commitment, loyalty, and dedication towards the services person with disability earned him the title Divya Bandhu from Ministry of Social Justice, conferred for the first time by Indian government. He has authored several books to name a few books. Ram Setu, a mythological and historical book, Mahasangram, Truth of Nandagram, Goddess of Kish, Kasi, Dhanvantri, Dhanvantri and Sage, Patanjali, creators of India's faith, Nandagram, Narendra Modi, national policy, Narendra Modi's public welfare policy. He has also entered many journals and magazines. We are deeply privileged to have with us Sir today as our chief guest. We request you to kindly address the gathering.
Request Uttam sir to kindly address the gathering. Welcome, sir.
धन्यवाद। आज की परिक्रमिका संस्थान द्वारा यह समारोह आयोजित किया गया है। इसके लिए पराक्रमिका संस्थान के निदेशक गायत्री नरसिम्हन जी बधाई के पात्र हैं। आपने इस चुनौतीपूर्ण कार्य को अपने हाथ में लिया और न सिर्फ इस कार्य को लिया बल्कि उसे पूर्ण करके भी दिखाया। और आज इन 15 बच्चों का एक समारोह जिसमें इन्हें प्रमाण पत्र दिया जाएगा, जिसके बाद से आज से यह नया जीवन प्रारंभ करेंगे। मैं देख रहा हूँ रोह में उपस्थित हमारे ओमान सरकार के स्पोर्ट डायरेक्टर तारिक सर, मुंबई से अर्पिता राय जी, लखनऊ से सितांशु सर जी, आत्म भारत वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग के प्रदीप सर और इस कार्यक्रम में भाग ले रहे बच्चे जिन्हें आज प्रमाण पत्र दिया जाना है, और ऐसे तमाम उनके अभिभावक, ऐसे बच्चों के माता पिता इस कार्यक्रम में भाग ले रहे हैं। यह हम सब के लिए एक गौरव का क्षण है, एक गर्व की अनुभूति हो रही है। खासकर यह 2 देशों के बीच में, भारत और ओमान, ओमान के भी बच्चे और भारत के भी बच्चे, यह 2 देशों के बीच पराक्रमिका संस्थान एक सेतु का कार्य कर रहा है। दोनों देशों के बीच एक समन्वय, एक संबंध स्थापित करने का काम भी, और इस प्रकार से इस वैश्विक चुनौती जो प्रकार के बच्चों के सामने होते हैं उसको पूरा करने का काम यह संस्थान कर रहा है। हम इन बच्चों के साथ ही माता पिता एवं संस्थान के संचालकों को बधाई देते हैं। और इस प्रकार के प्रयोग हमें करने चाहिए। यह एक साहसपूर्ण चुनौतीपूर्ण कार्य है। ऐसे बच्चे जब फ्रंट ऑफिस में बैठकर, जब कोई ऑफिस में आएगा, सबसे पहले ऑफिस में आएगा तो उनका सामना ऐसे बच्चों से होगा, तो यह इन बच्चों के लिए भी साहस का कार्य है। एक बहुत अच्छी सोच इस कार्य के पीछे इनकी रही है कि ऐसे बच्चों को मौका दे। मैं देखा हूँ कि जिन्हें हम दिव्यांग कहते हैं, ऐसे लोग का कार्य सामान्य लोगों से कहीं अच्छा होता है। भारत में विशाल मेगा मार्ट है। विशाल मेगा मार्ट के हर स्टोर में देखेंगे तो 4 से 6 लोगों को, वह दिव्यांग लोगों को अपने यहाँ काम पर रखते हैं। उनका काम मैं देखा था एक बार, कपड़े की दुकान, वहाँ मेगा मार्ट, विशाल मेगा मार्ट साफ है, तो वहाँ गया तो कपड़े थे, इधर उधर अस्त व्यस्त थे। जो दिव्यांग जन थे जो काम कर रहे थे, उनके से ऐसे लोग सामान्य लोगों से अच्छा कार्य करते हैं, ऐसा अपना अनुभव रहा है। अगर हम इन्हें अवसर दें तो सरकारों को या ऐसे को इस प्रकार के प्रयत्न करने चाहिए। हमें अनेक अपने बड़े बड़े उद्योगपति हैं, उनका भी एक समूह ये स्थान अपने कार्यों में, अपने स्टोर में या अपने जो भी इनके उद्योग चलते हैं, उद्योगों में दिव्यांग जनों का ऐसे भारत सरकार ने ऐसे उद्योग जो दिव्यांग जनों को अपने यहाँ काम तो उनको भारत सरकार अपने यहाँ कई प्रकार की छूट भी देती है। साथ ही दिव्यांग बैंक के से अगर कोई दिव्यांग व्यक्ति कार्य करना चाहे तो 25 लाख तक के लोन ने आसानी से भारत सरकार के लिए उसकी मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना?
जी आ
आप
रहे हैं,
लोग को मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है जी, लेकिन बीच बीच में म्यूट हो रहा है।
अच्छा,
जी आप अभी म्यूट में है।
दिव्यांग जनों के लिए भारत सरकार उन्हें छूट भी देती है। हमें इस बात की प्रसन्नता है कि यह इंस्टीट्यूट ऐसे लोगों को तैयार करने का काम कर रहा है। यह एक नई शुरुआत है। जब मैं काम करता था, अपने संस्थान में बैठा था एक बार, तो एक ऐसे व्यक्ति आए मुझे मिलने को जो दोनों आंख से दृष्टिबाधित थे, दिव्यांग थे और देख नहीं सकते। उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बोली थी, सर मैं दुनिया को नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं कुछ ऐसा करना चाहता हूँ कि दुनिया मुझे देखे। मुझे वो बात आज भी याद आती है। मैं यही चाहता हूँ इन बच्चों से, ये बच्चे कुछ ऐसा करें कि दुनिया इनको देखे। और ऐसे तमाम उदाहरण हैं अपने भारतवर्ष में, दुनिया में, जो दिव्यांगता कभी भी बाधा नहीं रही। जब अरुणिमा सिन्हा ने एवरेस्ट की एक पैर से एवरेस्ट की चोटी पर विजय प्राप्त की थी, तो उनसे जब पत्रकारों ने पूछा कि आपके एक पैर नहीं है और एक पैर से आपने एवरेस्ट पर विजय कैसे प्राप्त कर ली, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि मैदान पैर से नहीं मन से जीते जाते। तो मेरी बात अगर सुन रहे हो बच्चे, तो यह बात अगर सुन रहे हो मेरे बच्चे, तो मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि अपने मन को मजबूत करें, क्योंकि मैदान मन से जीते जाते हैं, पैर से नहीं, शरीर से नहीं। शारीरिक बाधा कोई बाधा नहीं। अगर मन से व्यक्ति, मानसिक रूप से व्यक्ति मजबूत हो तो शरीर कोई बहुत मायने नहीं रख सकता। भारत में ही हैदराबाद के अपने उद्योगपति हैं श्रीकांत बोला, जो जन्मजात ब्लाइंड हैं, दोनों आंखों से वो देख नहीं सकते, लेकिन आज उन्होंने इतना बड़ा कारोबार श्रीकांत बोला जी ने खड़ा किया है कि उनको फोर्स पत्रिका जो कि दुनिया के उद्योग जगत की एक बहुत बड़ी पत्रिका है, इसमें उनको स्थान दिया गया। उम्र मात्र 30 वर्ष है और उन्होंने अपने यहाँ 4 से 5,000 दिव्यांगजनों को नौकरी दिया है। श्रीकांत गोला नाम है, आप लोग नेट सर्च कर सकते हैं, उनके बारे में देख सकते हैं। जब वो पैदा हुए तो उनके गांव वालों ने सलाह दिया कि बच्चा दिव्यांग है, इसे मार देना चाहिए, उनकी हत्या करके फेंकी। माँ बाप ने ऐसा नहीं किया और श्रीकांत बोला ने भारत के नहीं बल्कि विश्व में भारत का मान बढ़ाया। तो प्रतिभाएं किसी शारीरिक चुनौती की मोहताज नहीं होती, उन्हें अवसर की आवश्यकता होती है। अगर हम इन्हें अवसर दें, इनके पर भरोसा करें, यह भी कुछ कर सकते हैं। आज गायत्री जी ने ऐसी प्रतिभाओं को अवसर देकर यह सिद्ध कर दिया है और दिखा दिया है कि अब बच्चे किसी से कम नहीं हैं। उनके माँ बाप भी, माता पिता, अभिभावक इस सेमिनार में जुड़े हुए हों। मैं उनसे भी कहना चाहता हूँ, उन्हें गर्व होना चाहिए, उन्हें गर्व होना चाहिए कि इस प्रकार के उनका बच्चा आज चुनौतीपूर्ण कार्य को स्वीकार कर रहा है और कर रहा है। उनके माता पिता, बच्चों को तो भरोसा होता है लेकिन माता पिता भरोसा नहीं करते जल्दी। कोई बच्चा है अगर बड़ा हो जाता है तो साइकिल चलाने की कोशिश करता है तो उसके माता पिता बहुत दिन तक रोकते हैं कि नहीं रुक जाओ, गिर जाओगे। घर से जाता है बाजार तो उसको नहीं जाने देते हैं अकेले। लेकिन उनको भी मैं माता पिता को कहूंगा कि इन पे भरोसा रखें, इन्हें अवसर दें, ये भी कुछ कर सकते हैं जीवन में। शारीरिक बाधा कोई बाधा नहीं है। मन से कोई भी मैदान मन से जीता जा सकता है। कुछ कर गुजरने के लिए मौसम नहीं, मन चाहिए। ये बच्चे मानसिक रूप से मजबूत हों, अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़े और नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित करें और यह संस्थान विश्व में अग्रणी संस्थान बने कि इस प्रकार से बच्चों को तैयार करे, ये बच्चे भविष्य में कुछ कर पाए। ये अभी शुरुआत है। गायत्री जी को मैं स्पेशली रूप से कहना चाहूंगा कि ये शुरुआत है, इस शुरुआत को और आगे ले जाए। एक बहुत बड़ी संख्या, एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती इंतजार कर रही है आपका, आपके संस्थान का। इन 15 बच्चों से आपकी आशाएं जुड़ गई हैं। आज जो देख रहे होंगे, इसके बाद जो देखेंगे उनके माता पिता, तो उन माता पिताओं के भी आशा गायत्री जी से, अर्पिता जी से जुड़ गई होगी कि मेरा बच्चा भी कुछ करे। तो ये संपर्क करेंगे। आइए हम सब मिलकर ऐसे लोगों को अवसर दें। मैं उद्योग जगत से जुड़े हुए अपने बंधुओं से भी आग्रह करूंगा कि वह अवसर दें, अपने संस्थानों में ऐसे बच्चों को वरीयता दें और समाज की मुख्य धारा में शामिल करें। क्योंकि समाज में अगर एक व्यक्ति भी कमजोर होगा, अगर मेरे हाथ की एक अंगुली भी कमजोर होगी तो मेरा शरीर पूर्ण नहीं होगा। तो एक व्यक्ति भी कमजोर न हो, एक व्यक्ति भी वंचित न हो, हम सब मिलकर काम करें। इसी आशा के साथ, उम्मीद के साथ मैं अपनी बात समाप्त करूंगा और मुझे प्रसन्नता है कि मुझे इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने का अवसर मिला। मैं अपने आप को धन्य समझता हूं कि आपने अवसर दिया और यह कार्य आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए। जो भी सहयोग हम सबका होगा अपेक्षित है, हम सब तैयार हैं। इस काम को आप आगे बढ़ाएं। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार। आपने मुझे अवसर दिया इसके लिए नमस्कार आप सबका। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. It was a truly motivating speech. I now request our chief guest to announce the name of 4 professionals who will receive the certificate for successfully completing front office management course.
उत्तम जी, आप नाम बोलना है, ऑफिशियली डिक्लेयर करना है।
एक मिनट में ये गुरदास पटेल जी।
आहान।
गुरदास पटेल जी।
ये गुरदास पटेल ना।
आहान।
हाँ।
आहान गुरदास पटेल।
हाँ, गुरदास पटेल जी।
आहान गुरदास पटेल।
गुरदास पटेल जी को प्रदान किया जाए यह सर्टिफिकेट।
अभी आर्जव।
गुरदास पटेल, उनको
हाँ।
दे दिया गया।
हाँ, उसको दे दिया। अभी आर्जव।
मनोज नाटगांवकर, मनोज नाटगांवकर जी, मनोज जी
आर्जव।
को दिया जाए।
हाँ, आर्जव है उसका नाम। पहला
उनको दे दिया।
बच्चों का नाम आहान है, दूसरे बच्चा आर्जव है। वो मनोज सेकंड नेम है, फैमिली नेम है। आर्जव उनका
आर्जव
नाम।
मनोज,
आर्जव मनोज। पहला बच्चा आहान।
आर्जव मनोज, हाँ हाँ, आर्जव मनोज, ठीक है।
आनंदिता अमित कुमार है।
अब कौन है तीसरा?
आनंदिता।
आनंदिता, आनंदिता अमित, आनंदिता अमित कुमार, आनंदिता अमित कुमार, राइट?
यस।
Yeah, right, sir. Right. Thank you.
इसके बाद है आनंदिता
एंड्रिया। एंड्रिया श्रुति।
श्रुति,
हाँ, एंड्रिया।
एंड्रिया, एंड्रिया, एंड्रिया श्रुति कोरिया, उनको दिया जाए, ठीक है। इसके बाद आर, इसके बाद कौन है?
नहीं, हो गया।
अवन, अवन,
हाँ,
क्या?
नहीं, फर्स्ट पर हो
ठीक
गया।
है।
Thank you, sir, for honoring our young professionals. May I request the IT team to kindly share the gratitude certificate for the chief guest.
Thank you so much, Dr. Uttam Oja sir, for joining us and for being with us. You're telling your important advice, suggestions बच्चों के लिए। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम सबके साथ, I mean, on behalf of everyone, I'm thanking you. बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you जी।
बहुत
Thank you, IT team. Request Mr. Imam to take over.
Request Mr. Rahul to take over.
Thank you, Mr. Chaitanya. As this is the first venture of Prakramika Institute to conduct a course through online, feedback from the participants is very important. I now call upon Ms. Sai to share her experience.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sai Darevadikar in this course. Friend, office, management. I learned lot of things. I learned about different types of hotels and how the STM systems work. I learned to set the table and fold napkins. I learned to make a perfect bed. We did role play to learn about religions and room service. Gayatri ma'am is a wonderful teacher and we had lots of fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sai. Now, Mrs. Namrata will share her experience about the course. Namrata, can you please come on screen?
Okay, start. Good evening, everyone. My name is Namrata. It was my first online learning experience. We learned table setting, bed, making napkin, folding, and your play. We also learned chocolate cake making. You are so generous with your time. You are very polite and kind. Thank you, Kadiri ma'am. You are great teacher. We will miss you and we will miss you and our class. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Namrata.
And
Now we have Mr. Ahan who will tell how he felt about the course.
It
Ahan, can you
was
come on screen?
Yes, it was an amazing course. We have learned a lot of new things and got lot of knowledge about hotels and how to manage the front desk. This will really help me in getting a job so I can work and become independent financially. So I want to thank Gayatri ma'am from the bottom of my heart. She's really an amazing teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ahan. We are grateful to Ms. Sai, Ms. Namrata, and Mr. Ahan for their valuable feedback. Now we have Ms. Sapna again to fill our ears with music. I call upon Ms. Sapna to sing a song.
That was a really fantastic sound. Thank you, Miss Sopana. Now, let me introduce you the guest of honor. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our guest of honor, Madam Vijaya, the course director in Sri Venkateswara Montessori Kindergarten Teachers Training School, which has 14 branch throughout India and abroad, and has trained more than 15,000 teachers working in matric CBSE ICSE school. Madam Vijaya also performed several roles, a member in American Montessori Society, founder and promoter of Tulir, a Montessori group of play schools, Montessori consultant, educator in Bharat, Seval Samaj, Seval Samaj, a government of India agency and associate in Jan Sheikh Shishan Sansan, a unit of MHRD, Government of India, New Delhi, and many more. Madam Vijaya is the recipient of many awards. Let me name some of them. Best Montessori Educational Award by Sri Kanchi Shankara Mutt in 2003. Best Child Educationist Award in 2005. Best New Entrant Award by National Integrity Cultural Academy in 2009. Women Achieved Award in 2015. Best Entrepreneur Award by Bharat Universities 2017, and many more. Madam Vijaya regularly features in various magazines and newspaper, and gives interview in TV channels. She has also participated in International Montessori Congress at Kalachetra, Chennai. We, the young professional today, would like to convey our special thanks to Vijaya Madam for helping getting this front office management course certified by Bharat Sevat Samaj. We welcome Madam Vijaya to our function and request here to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you, dear Rohit.
You're welcome. Welcome.
A great evening, and very, very happy to be a part of this function, to be part of with Prakrimika, being a partner with Mrs. Gayatri. Congratulations, my dear children, hard work of yours and your parents' commitment. My pronounced your parents first. That is, what I really want to say now. And Mrs. Gayatri, hats off to you. So far in this, in the journey of education, giving training to teachers, all these years we would have trained more than 15,000 plus teachers, and I would have attended many convocations in person and virtually. And this is very special for me. Very special in the sense like these children are very special, and they have learned what they have to learn, and they've gained confidence. They're very happy about it. They have understood what they have learned. It's all because of you and parents. I know how difficult it is even to manage very normal children, and you're really great. You know, you in the journey, you are with them. And my special pronouns to you. Not only thanks, my special pronouns to you. You're all great role models to all of us. And this course is really going to help the children, the students who are becoming professionals to gain a lot of confidence, to gain independence, and to earn and to know to extend their communication, to learn more. This is the beginning, dear children. You have lots to learn. And Gayatri, I'm with you. I'll be with you for many number of courses like this, and wish you success in all. God bless you, children. And this is just a beginning. There is a lot to learn. So aram se, you learn, learn, and learn. Don't stop learning. For learning, there is no age. For learning, there is a platform. See, this pandemic has created this online platform. Happy to see many number of trainees from many places. This is really a good platform. So go ahead with your courses, do advanced courses with the help of Mrs. Gayatri, your mentor, and all other teachers and lecturers she was mentioning. Thanks to all of you. Very happy to be a part of this Prakrimika Institute as well as you. And I thank all my dear coordinators who are here with me to attend this function, who are helping us to develop various curriculum for different children for different courses. Thank you so much. And this is a great evening for me. Congratulations for those who are participating in this function. And Mrs. Gayatri, this 12 children, next function it should become 120 and it will become 120, I'm very sure. Thank you so much.
Our sincere thanks to Adam Jaya for the inspiration speech. I request our guest Adam Jaya to announce the names of 5 professionals who will receive the certificate of completion and virtually.
Yes. Avani Batawadekar. I congratulate Avani Batawadekar. Please issue certificate.
Yes. Thank you.
Congratulations, Avani. All the best.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And this next student, R. Balambika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
R.
you.
Balambika. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Best wishes.
Certificate.
Next student,
Thank you.
Chaitanya Shivakumar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Chaitanya. Best wishes. Next, Imad Asif Amir. Please issue to Imad Asif Amir. Congratulations, Imad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Binge or Binge? Sorry.
Thank you.
Ritush Vikram. Congratulations. Kindly receive the
Thank
certificate. Welcome. Thank you so much. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam, for honoring our young professional. May I request the activity to kindly share the activity certificate for the guest of honor.
Thanks a lot, Vijaya ma'am, for all your support, for being here with us, for announcing the professionals. I'm immensely grateful. Thanks from all of us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. IT team. May I request Mr. Ahan to take over?
Thank you, Miss Avani. Now, feed time back again. So I request Mr. Kush to share his experience about the course.
Thank you, Mr. Apne. Sorry. Thank you, Mr. Ahan. Good evening, everyone. I like Kushbing. My name is Kushbinge. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am, for this front office management course. I like how to teach. I love role plays the most. I also learn napkin folding, table arrangement, chocolate making, cake making, and also how to organize, how to talk. I enjoyed also her sessions very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Kush. Now I call upon Mr. Rahul to talk about what is his experience.
Good evening, everyone. Generally, any course involves serious classroom teaching, lectures, and memorizing the lessons, etc. This course of front office management was very interesting with different activities and role plays. I love the napkin folding, table decoration, and amazing role plays, etc. On top of it, Gayatri ma'am has made the learning so much fun. Thank you, ma'am, for all the extraordinary things that you did. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rahul. Now we have Mr. Ahmed, who will tell us about his take on the front office management course.
Is it Imad or Ahmed you spoke on?
It's Imad.
Imad.
It's Imad. Good evening, everybody. My name is Imad, Strategic Institute. I had joined front office management course from this institute. The director of the institute was a trainer. I have learned a lot about hotel management, the qualities of receptionist, housekeeping, etc. Everything is practical and I feel confident and positive when I talk to anyone. My thanks to Gayatri teacher for designing such a course which will be useful in all walks of life. Thanks, Gayatri ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Imad. May I now?
Taking this opportunity, would like to inform that I am thankful to my God for securing an internship at hotel in Oman. At last, but not the least, I would like to mention about my Suresh sir, who has contributed and guided me during my studies. To reach these heights without his support, I wouldn't have remained where I am today. I wish and pray bounty of blessing for his good health and happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Imad. May I now request Mr. Rohan to share his journey about this course?
Good evening. I am Rohan. I learned a lot of things from this program. I learned making decoration, front office management. I enjoyed the course. Thanks to Auntie.
थैंक यू बोलो पूरा अच्छे थैंक यू गायत्री आंटी मैम बोलो
Thanks to Auntie.
okay
Thank you, Mr. Rohan. Now again for a melody. So I request Ms. Sapna to sing a song first.
कुछ पाने की हो आसान कोई
That was marvelous singing, Miss Sapna. We are delighted by your singing. Thank you, Miss Sapna. Now let me introduce our next guest of honor, Mr. Biswajit Biswas, sir. It gives me a great privilege to introduce our next guest of honor, Mr. Biswajit Biswas, sir, General Manager and Fort Jadavgarh, Pune, a heritage hotel and world first museum hotel. After graduating in hotel management from IIHM Kolkata and hospitality management diploma from AHNMA, Mr. Biswas has also done his master's in business administration from ISB Mumbai. Mr. Biswas has more than 25 years of experience in the hospitality industry. He started his career with K. Raheja Groups of Hotels at the Resort Mumbai. He has worked with different international and national hotel chains like the Regent Mumbai, Taj Group of Hotels at Tajland and Mumbai, Ras Resort and Velvet Country, Kandala. Mr. Biswas also holds a certification of internal auditor for ISO. We are very fortunate to have you with us, sir. I now request Mr. Biswajit, sir, to kindly address our gathering.
Namaskar all. I hope all can hear me. First of all, I like to thank Ms. Gayatri and her team to taking such a pain to do this, as Madam says, very difficult to handle normal children, to handle this kind of people. And it's a very social work, and it's required a lot of willpower to do this. It's not an easy task that we think and we can do it. So I like to thank everyone and all the
Sir, are you there?
Yeah, we got it now.
Biswajit, sir.
not coming.
I think there is a net issue there. Maybe he'll log in again. No, he's here only.
Give me a second. I just
அஞ்சு மணிக்கு ஏந்துக்கணுமா? 5 மணிக்கு ஏந்து எல்லாம் பண்ணோம். மீரா 5 மணிக்கு ஏந்துக்கணும்.
Sir, are you there?
He's not there.
In some network issues are there.
I think so.
He closed his camera. Off the camera.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Sorry, there was a network issue. Extremely sorry.
I understand, sir. No worries, sir. Please don't apologize, sir.
So that's what. So it's all good luck to everybody. And I am in Pune, so I would like to request all the students of Pune to come and visit our hotel, so they can see the hotel, how the operation happens, and I can show you the hotel. I will tell you how the hotel operates and all that. So practically, they will get a good experience. And we have a museum also in house. So if they see the hotel, they will have a good insight of how a hotel runs. That would have. I would like to tell them once the lockdown is over and all that, I'll keep in touch with Ms. Gayatri, and then I can invite them, and they come as my guests to see the hotel, and they can enjoy for a day picnic. We have packages called day picnic, so they can come for a picnic, and in the meantime, they also come to know what's happening in the hotel. Thank you once again.
That was really nice, sir. Thank you so much for that offer. Definitely, we'll be in touch with you after the lockdown.
Yes,
For
yes.
sure. Thank you, sir.
Definitely, ma'am. And there in logo, I will put all this up in. I'm a part of Pune Hotel Association, so they can also join hotels in Pune. Those are in Pune, so it will be easier for them to in their career.
And I don't have any words. I don't know how to thank you for this, because practical knowledge is more important than.
Yes.
So I really
Yes.
don't have words to thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Namaskar, everybody.
Request Mr. Rahul to take over.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging speech. May I request you, sir, to kindly announce the names of 5 of our young professionals to receive the certificate of completion.
Push Vikram Binge. Congratulations, Kush.
Thank you, sir.
Namrata Rajan Shah. Congratulations, Narmata.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
YVR Rahul. Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you, sir.
And congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Rohan Goel. Congratulations, Rohan.
Thank you. Thank you, Bolo. Bolo. Thank you.
Rohit Parathi Ramakrishnan. Congratulations, Rohit.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Shai Dhale Wadikar. Congratulations, Shai.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for honoring our young professional. May I request the ID team to kindly share the gratitude certificate for our guest of honor.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today, for wishing our children, for announcing their names, and for giving the opportunity also. In this, I must thank Arpita also. It happened because of her. We all are so happy that you are giving up them the opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, and thank you once again. To be honor for me to join this program. Thank you.
Thank you, ID team. Request Miss Andrea to take over.
Thank you, Rahul. Now we have Miss Anandita, who will share experience of the course.
Good evening. I'm Dita, and I recently completed my front office management course. In this course, I learned how to have a professional conversation with our guest, as in communicating well and taking responsibility for our duties and tasks. I also understood more about how the hotel functions, the different types of hotels and rooms they offer. I gained new knowledge about this industry. Thank you to Gayatri ma'am for teaching us so simply and encouraging us to achieve our goals. Thank you, ma'am.
Over to Andrea.
Thank you, Miss Anita. Thank you, Miss Anita. Now I request Chaitanya to talk about how he felt about learning this course.
Good evening to all. I'm Chaitanya Shivkumar. I would like to say it has been a very good learning experience for me. I have learned so much during the course. The class was very interesting. The course was simple, and at the end of session, we all had discussion with madam and all other fellow professionals. The best part of the classes were role play, which we all look forward to. It helped with my communication. The class was very interactive. Also, we could meet many special guests from the hospitality sector, and they shared their experience, which was very useful and informative. I would like to thank Gayatri Madam, who is an amazing teacher, so caring and understanding. I am very thankful and happy for successfully completing the front office management course. Thank you, Gayatri Madam, and all guests present here. My best wishes to all fellow professionals. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Chaitanya. I call upon Mr. Rajab to share his thoughts on the front office management course.
Okay. Hello, all. कौन ऐड कर रहे हैं? Hello, all. Good evening, everyone. I am Arjun Nangagal. I have done 12th standard in computer technology from Kimball Vocational College. In this front office management course, I learned how to communicate with customers professionally and understand their needs. I understood the role and responsibility of front office desk with lot of articles. I have also learned to make a bed, arrange table, and other things. I would like to thank Gayatri ma'am conducting and teaching us this vocational course very interactive way. I hope this course will help me in professional world. Once again, thank all honorable guests and Gayatri ma'am and team Youngstown. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rajav. Now we are nearing the end of an excellent evening. Once again, to fill your ears with a melody, I request Ms. Sapna for a song. Sapna is going to sing. Miss Sapna. Thank you. Miss Sapna. Thank you, Miss Sapna.
Yeah, Andrea. That was a soulful music.
On here.
Huh.
That was soulful music from Miss Sapna. Thank you, Miss Sapna.
Thank you, Andrea. Thank you, Andrea. May I request the IT team to kindly display the certificate of gratitude to our beloved Sapna. Sapna, thank you so much for filling our ears with your lovely, lovely melodies. You made this felicitation function more adorable and more nice. Thank you so much, especially for the climax song and for your wishes. Really, from Prakramika Institute and from all the students, from all of them present here, a big, big thanks to you, our dear Sapna. May you reach greater heights. May you achieve more and more in life. All the very best to you, Sapna. Over to Mr. Rahul for further proceedings. Rahul, you are on mute. Rahul, again you are on mute. Can you start again?
Before I propose vote of thanks, we also have with us today many eminent people who have come to encourage the young professionals. I wish to request them to kindly say a few words of encouragement and bless the young professionals.
Requesting all our guests, if you can unmute and bless our children when they are taking their first step ahead in their career.
Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you, Jaya, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. No, because it's not audible for me, not very clear.
We can hear you, ma'am.
All right, great. Okay. Good evening to all of you. Wonderful, excellent, outstanding. I have no more words because fantabulous work by Prakramika, Mrs. Gayatri, and all her team coordinators. But more so, today's evening, I will definitely say you children have stolen the show. You are really inspiring. You have shown that you can do it. And when you can, you will. And I'm so proud of all of y'all. You keep charging like this. You will definitely have everyone's support. Blessings. And all of us will encourage you positively, definitely, virtually, and whenever possible. Our words of prayers for all of y'all. And really, I congratulate all of y'all because the strength in all of y'all is amazing. All you volunteers, all coordinators, all teachers, all the organizers for all these fantastic workshops. Earlier, workshops were all for the rest of the children. Today, you have made it possible that even these workshops are so very easily done, beautifully done. If you want, you can. And if you can, you will. So best of luck. Best wishes to all of you. Heartiest congratulations. I have no words more than this. Hearty, and I'm sure you all will scale greater heights. I'll be always there to listen, watch, and encourage. Wonderful. Thank you so much for this lovely evening. Time just flew. I really did not know. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jaya ma'am, for those lovely words. Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thanks
so
a
much.
lot.
Gayatri, I wanted to give
Thank you so much, Jaya ma'am.
Welcome, children. Welcome.
Okay, Shabashia to all the kids. You have really shown that you
have strength. You can do it. It's not that what people think, what environment takes for you, but your parents and your teachers and everybody around you is always with you. Keep going, reach the heights, do whatever you can. All the best and good luck.
Thank you so much. We agree with you.
So, Gayatri, may I?
Yes, sir.
I'm really overwhelmed, Gayatri, to be a part of this evening. Really proud of you, your work, and all the children who are felicitated today. So this is really wonderful, and only you can do that, because you supplied a lot, so much of energy to the children, to their parents, a large quantity of optimism, and many other positive things you have given to the families of those children. So this is really wonderful, and keep it up. I'm really proud of your work, and I am really very happy to see all that by you, and my lot of blessings to all the children, Sapna, Rohan, Rohit, Ahan, everyone. So I am really grateful. I'm really thankful to be here. I'm really feeling honored to attend this function to evening. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gayatri.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks, sir.
Hi,
Hi,
Gayatri,
Miss
can I say
Gayatri.
something?
Yeah.
Hi, first of all, a very good evening and with a lot of loves and hugs to all the lovely kids. So hi, everyone. Say hi to me.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Thank
Hi.
you, Chaitanya. Thank you. Say, thanks, Ahan. Thanks, Rohit.
Just a second.
Hi,
Hi,
sweetie.
ma'am.
Hi, Dita. Now, I would like to share something, my views on this.
Arpita, just a second. To all our young champs present here, this is Arpita Srivatsavarai. She is Mrs. India contestant, and she has instrumental in today's function. So today's function, if this is happening, the whole credit goes to Arpita only. Thank you, Arpita. Over to you.
Thank you, Gayatri ji. Kids, let me tell you one thing. I will say in a very simple words. According to me, the leaders of the 20th century will be those who empowers others. So in my eyes, your mentor, Mrs. Gayatri Narasimhan, is a leader in my eyes. And you guys are the role models for all of us. Why? Because you will be setting examples for the next generation. So you know what your importance is? You all individuals are role models in my eyes. And looking at you, you're going to inspire everyone. So keep shining, keep rocking, and keep inspiring and evolving. My all the best wishes and love to you all.
Thank you so much for really appreciating.
Thank you, ma'am. Very inspiring.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good inspiration from you.
Thanks a lot.
To the show.
Because in my eyes, you guys are role models. We are nothing. We have
Thank
to
you so
learn from
much.
you.
Yes, why not? Please learn from us.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Learning never stops, dear. Learning never stops.
Yes, correct.
Can I speak a few words?
Yes, Padma ma'am, waiting to hear from you. Your blessings.
Congratulations, Gayatri. What a grand event you organized today. It's just so overwhelming to be here watching you all. And it was a great show put off by all the children. Congratulations, children, on completing the course and also steering today's event went so well. One after the other, the children who moderated the show, they really did very well. And so happy to see the confidence in them, to speak in public forum like this. And of course, Sapna's melodious voice and her, such a beautiful selection of songs she had today. It was really very lovely. So Gayatri, I'm wishing you to, conduct many more such courses, and more and more children will be guided by you. I'm looking forward to the day, they'll all be independently, working. And it was so nice of Vishwas sir to offer that, opportunity. He called the children to the hotel. It was really very noble of him to do that. So congratulations all children, and Gayatri, best wishes for many, many more such events to you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
This
you,
happened
ma'am.
because of you. Thanks for the opportunity, ma'am.
I'm like to be with you always. Yeah, Gayatri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Gayatri. Keep it up.
Thank you.
You are an inspiration for these kids. I think your smile is the one which takes them up.
When I see them achieve, that gives that smile. I feel so happy, I should say.
It's yes. Both ways. Very nice. Thanks for
Suresh
being a
sir.
part of.
Thank you, Vani. Thank you so much.
Miss Gayatri, I would like to add few words. I am Ziba Rana. I am Rahul's special educator. We have been together for
Welcome
7
to this
years.
platform. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much. It gives me a great pleasure to see Rahul grown up to be so independent, confident, and he was able to present with so much of confidence. Lovely. It was lovely. And it was also lovely to see all the children's contribution, and especially the entire spirit of leading children towards inclusion was wonderful. And hats off to the work that you all have done. It is really, really commendable. Thank you so much for getting Rahul where he is presently. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ziva, ma'am.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
My
Thank you
pleasure,
so much.
Rahul.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ziba ma'am. It is really, thanks for those kind words. It matters a lot. And they have a lot more to achieve. And it's like a congratulations to all the teachers, all the mentors and the parents who have come in their life right from starting.
Definitely. Yes.
Everybody has
Yes.
played a role.
It has been a wonderful
Gayatri, ma'am.
journey. And
Yes.
seeing a child grown up to become an adult, like every time you're calling out Master Rahul, I'm simply not able to digest. It's not Master Rahul, it's only Rahul. Or Rahul Beta.
Yeah.
No, that is true.
Right,
Actually,
ma'am.
sometimes even
Mr.
I
Rahul
get,
is just too much,
I
too
know.
much to digest.
It gets, even I say my child, but then I say, no, they're adults. Let me say Mr. Rahul, Mr.
Yes.
Rahan.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
so
Thank
much.
you, ma'am.
Gayatri, ma'am. Gayatri,
Yes,
ma'am, you are listening?
Suresh sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you. And Imad is
Okay.
waiting to hear from you.
I have attended many conferences, many ceremonies, but nothing to beat this. This will be etched in my memory, till eternity. It was absolutely fantastic. The first day when I saw the students, they were a bit nervous and jittery. And within 3 months, there are mental difference in their personality. All credit goes to the triple effect of children, parents, and your, tremendous hard work. Definitely, God has blessed you with divine energy, which you have translated into these children. I really feel amazed when I look at these children, what they were and what they are today. It speaks volumes of your personality, your smile, your untiring efforts as rewarded. The most important thing is this 14 students is nothing, because I'm sure that it will grow into a banyan tree and Parikrama Institute will be the talk of the town in the few years to come. Because at the end of the day, these children have shown that when I saw them, they were in the backyard and today they are in the front line. Absolutely amazing. So much of confidence in the communication skills, the etiquettes, the mannerisms, the presentations. It cannot be described in words. And especially I have seen parents also are very, very important, because I have grown up with Imad, and Imad's mother Fauzia, every day and night she was praying for Imad and she was with him. And today Imad has got a job. What it shows that nobody is, great or nobody is it. Ordinary people can become extraordinary by the prayers of God and hard work. So congratulations to you and your team, and especially to Akila and Akshaya also. Brilliant work, and many, many more laurels and awards for you, teacher. Take care, teacher. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for those words and for blessing our young professional. It really
Thank you
means a
so
lot.
much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Malini ma'am, okay, before Malini ma'am, Akshaya.
Thank you, sir.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the front office professionals for your official graduation today, and thank you so much all eminent guests here for blessing our front office professionals here. And,
This Kajiri, Miss Doctor. And this
yeah, and I think we have a small surprise for my mom from the from the family of front office professionals, which actually I just got to know some time back. So I request Malini ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Akshay, I will share now. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, front of, thank you. We can see that.
Hello, Kathleen. This is Rupani with front of us management course. You have been truly inspiring. Your cheerfulness is always a blessing. Thank you.
Hi Gayatri ma'am. It is said that best teachers speak from the heart, not from the book. You are the perfect example of best teacher. We will miss you a lot, Gayatri ma'am. Thank you.
Hi Gayatri ma'am. You have played a great role in shaping my career and show me the way to success. Thank you for all that you have done for me.
My heartiest gratitude and appreciation. We are grateful for your support.
Gayatri ma'am, it is a honor to learn things from you. Felt truly lucky to have you as a mentor. Thank you.
Dear Gayatri ma'am, we really appreciate how much you care for us and how much you like us. Thank you.
Thank you for being a great teacher. You are so generous with your time and effort. You are loving and polite. We will miss you, ma'am.
I feel so lucky to have a teacher who shows all the care, understanding and patience that you do. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am.
Hi Gayatri auntie. Thank you very much for teaching us front desk. We really enjoyed your session. You are an amazing teacher. Would really love to learn more new things from you.
Hello everybody, let me speak few words about Gayatri ma'am. I knew ma'am when I joined Municipal Darcy Muscat, but I liked in her was her willingness to help. She is caring, sharing, compassionate, and never bothered the time. She encouraged me and motivated me. Teachers give informations, but Gayatri ma'am reforms and transforms the students. Her huge mind will always remain in my memory. If I have something today, it's purely Gayatri ma'am. In this testing time, I pray for a long and strong life for Gayatri ma'am and her family. God bless her entire family. She is very special to me. With best wishes from her loving student, Ima. Thank you.
Hi Gayatri ma'am, gifted teacher like you are a gift to the students. You work hard to inspire your students. It's working because you work so hard. You are an amazing teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayatri auntie. I love your sessions. I want to have more.
I really don't have any
all.
I wish children are here. I would have hugged everyone so much.
So
And
true and so emotional. So true and
You are
so
about to all.
I'll tell you, children, dear children, the people can give me any award, the topmost award also, but this love, what you have given me, nothing can beat it. I'm telling you, nothing in the world can beat this.
Okay.
And nothing else can make me more happy also. I'm not in a position to show so much of happiness. Thank you. And I love you all so much, means so much. Let this journey continue.
Ma'am.
Let's learn together. Because I also learned front office along with you. So let us join together again. Let us explore more opportunities. Let us achieve together. Thank you to everyone. Thanks to all my parents. I am really emotional. Beyond this, I don't know what to say. Thank you. You made my day. Really, thanks a lot.
I love you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You are also so sweet.
ma'am.
Pleasure to appreciate you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You, ma'am. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Same, Rahul. Same, children.
Even we
I
all
love you all so
also
much.
from the bottom of my heart.
I love you, ma'am.
I miss you a lot.
Ma'am, I miss you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, children. Thank you.
We are
so
also
much.
missing, ma'am.
We will do. See, we are going to continue this journey. We are not going to stop here. We are going to continue this journey. Okay. Until we achieve the goal. Okay. We'll
Yes,
be
ma'am.
This is real mission only capability.
very true. Very true.
I don't
Ma'am,
I love you, ma'am, too much.
Best teacher.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I think I have to call Mr. Rahul for the final proceedings. Thank you, children.
You're so
Yes.
sweet. I love your story too much.
Oh, so sweet. That's
Gayatri
sweet.
ma'am, you are also thanked. And Pratima auntie, you are also thanked.
Thank you, Ahan.
Thank you, aunt.
Thank you, Pratima, ma'am.
May I request Mr. Rahul to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Prakramika Institute. Over to you, Mr. Rahul.
I'm sure all of you are spellbound by the encouraging speeches of eminent persons, proud moments shared by the young professionals and soulful music from Sapna. It's time to acknowledge the contributions of everyone for the grand success of this program. We are extremely thankful to Dr. Uttam Ojha, the chief guest and guest of honor, Madam.
Rahul, you are on mute.
Muted, ma'am.
Yes. Can you start from here? We are extremely thankful to. From there, can you start?
We are extremely thankful to Dr. Uttam Ojha, the chief guest and guest of honor, Madam Vijaya, and Mr. Vishwajit Vishwas for immediately accepting the invitation to grace the occasion. We are highly thankful for their presence today and are extremely grateful for their motivational speeches. We are also highly grateful to several eminent guests who encouraged and motivated the young professionals. Even the best teacher in the world will not be able to impart knowledge without the cooperation of the parents. The parents of young professionals are an awesome lot. Our deepest thanks to all of them for constantly encouraging their children to learn this front office management course. We are also extremely fortunate to listen to Sapna today, who through her singing ensured that there is right balance in the program. With the support of Almighty and all the well-wishers present and not present today, our journey will continue. Once again, many thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rahul. Thanks a lot. And we end this program officially here. Many, many thanks to everyone. You all made this possible. Without the support of community, without the support of parents, without the support of well-wishers, this journey is impossible. So you all made
Yes.
this today. Thank you. Thanks to everyone
Yes,
for being.
superb program.
Thank you. And congratulations
So
to
Gayatri,
all my
Aarti,
champs.
this is for you.
Thank you,
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Pratima Aunty, you also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
was very
ma'am.
Lovely. And congratulations to all my champs today. You are the real champions for taking this program so wonderful, because even I was a guest today. So it was all on you and you did it the best, each and every one. Congrats to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pratima ji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pratima ji.
Officially, I'm stopping the recording now, so we can talk now. It's going to be unofficial.
Thank you.